Hey everyone, this is me, Spider Oliver 11 here, and I'm here with an item. I'm here with an item which I got last month, which was Halloween. Yeah, Halloween. And let me just reveal the item. It's Bert. Yeah, Bert, the miniature engine. Welcome, Bert. Why, thank you very much. Yeah, I've got Bert. I'm gonna get Rex and Mike next. I'm getting them off of eBay, and I'm also gonna get another Gordon and Henry, the Trackmaster 2009 versions. You may wonder why. Well, here, folks. Let me show you. This was the only Henry I had, and I made him a custom. It's 87546, known as Troven. Then, and you also have 98. Oh my gosh! You know what? Just forget about that. 98462, known as Alfred. And let me see if I can connect this. Okay, there we go. And then we have Thomas. Then we have one of Thomas Tank Engine 76's characters from when he was playing Roblox 3 years ago, when he had the admin commands. And it's Johnny. See, these were the only two Henrys I had. This was the only Gordon I had. Yeah. This is Johnny. I'm gonna get I'm gonna get the other Gordon and the other Henry, which are the Trackmaster 9 I said. So yeah, those will be other new items. And this is Johnny from Thomas Tank Engine 76. This is Roblox videos. So yeah, and as you can see, Bert is so tiny, like Rex and Mike. Let me just get Bert's. Just show you something else. Okay, here it is. And when I got, see, there's Bert the miniature engine. But when I got him out of the box, I just noticed something. As you can see, Rex's cab is green for some reason. When I looked on eBay, it was black. Yeah, I don't know why it was green over there. And as you can see, Bert's tender wheels are blue, but on Rex's, they're black, as well as Mike's. Cause yeah, I mean, Mike, and Rex's tenders. Mike and Rex's tenders are black, but Bert's is blue, as you can see on the box there. And for some reason, I don't know why, Bert and the miniature engines have wooden railway magnets. Let me just show you. Let me get my. Oh yeah. Let me get my wooden railway Stanley. So as you can see, it's wooden railway magnets, and they cannot even connect it this way. It only connects as front to front. And one thing to show you guys is that Bert's tender can connect forward like this. It faces into Bert's cab, but you cannot even connect it when it's like this. It's when it's backwards. The reason why I know it's backwards is because it has the water tank there. As you can see, Bert, it's not connecting. Oh. So yeah, an item which I got on Halloween, it's Bert. So yeah, that's. So yeah, two other miniature engines. It's Mike and Rex, and 2 extra Truckmaster Gordon and Henry off of eBay, and made these 2 into 87546, 98462. And my other Henry, it's turned into Johnny, as you can see, number 88. So yeah, that's 87546, aka Croven, and 98462, aka Johnny, as well as Bert, a new item which I got, and it's another custom Johnny, which is from Thomas Acadia 76's Roblox game. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Goodbye, and thanks for watching.